Going on YouTube? Hayden Maxfield here. Got a how-to video for you guys today. Well, it's not really a how-to video, it's just a walkthrough basically. Got my 2012 sporty Dodge Avenger SE 2.4 liter. Opening it up. As you guys can see, I have an aftermarket radio in the process of going in. Currently working on installing some subwoofers with an aftermarket radio. There's my original amp right there. There's part of the dash. The good thing with these cars, mine's a little broken, but these dash panels, when they do pull out, they do separate right here at the top. So there's 3 clips right here, and then on the back side of the actual top panel piece, if that'll stay, you'll see 1, 2, 3 clips. Then you got your 2 clips, which will go right there and right there. And then you'll have another clip on the other side, which will go right there and then right there. But this is pretty straightforward. It's not too complicated. These are the little star bolts, star screws. They're small. They are a pain in the rear end. I think it's a T15, T20, maybe even a T25 Torx bit. If you got regular small Phillips screws like that right there lying around, I would suggest using them. It makes life so much easier than digging through a Torx bit set and trying to figure out, what size it is and fighting with it and all that fun stuff. I do have an antenna adapter. I actually got to take the radio back out to put that in. With this vehicle, you will have a snap-in styled little, antenna. So what you do is you just basically put it together until you hear it click, or you feel it click, and then that's not coming apart. And then after that, you're going to run your 2 RCA wires. And then this little wire right here that's sticking out, that's a little stripped. On this particular radio, it's a blue with a white stripe. Reason for that, I guess, is for the sub-output remote wire. So after you guys get all that done, you can obviously run your power wire. On this particular vehicle, opening up the hood. This particular Avenger, they're not the easiest to get at with the battery. You do have to remove the entire front bumper as well as the driver headlight assembly, which is not too complicated. You got a 10 mil here, which for some weird wacky reason isn't tightened in at all. So there's one bolt that holds the headlight in. Once you get this cover off, there's going to be another one facing that way. And then on this side, once you get this off, there's going to be your snap-in bracket that holds the bumper in place. But on the back side, there's going to be 3 7mm screws on this side. Same thing on the passenger side. And then along the bottom undercover radiator support thing, there's going to be probably about 6 or 7. Maybe a little more under that. But that does it for this video, guys. As always, please like and subscribe, and take care and have a wonderful day.